Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking down prerequisites and the first actionable steps. Define which instruments you will list and the market model because that shapes latency and risk. Next, register your entity and secure banking and fiat on-ramps. You need AML/KYC processes to operate legally. Once done, choose a technical architecture. A high-performance matching engine, custody solution, and public APIs. Make sure to align these choices with your KPIs so development prioritizes what matters most. You now execute the complex middle steps. Implement a matching engine optimized for your order types and throughput, and design order books with risk limits and pre-trade checks to prevent runaway positions. Simultaneously integrate custody and wallet layers, separating hot and cold storage, and automate signing and settlement reconciliation so funds and orders stay consistent. Make sure to embed KYC/AML flows, full audit trails, and scheduled security testing. This prevents surprises and keeps regulators. You finish by launching carefully and finalizing operational guardrails. Run a staged rollout, sandbox, closed beta, then widen access while gradually increasing market depth so you catch issues early. Monitor latency, error rates, liquidity, and suspicious activity in real time and tie alerts back to on-call engineers. If things go wrong, follow a predefined incident runbook. Isolate affected services, trigger rollbacks or circuit breakers, and preserve logs for audit. One key troubleshooting tip: if liquidity vanishes, pause
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.